Every day is the same, an exasperating and tedious search for documents. Documents are scattered in many different places, distributed across different offices, possibly even in different countries. Oh dear, it's about time you got DocuWare. With DocuWare, you always know where your documents are, in your central document pool. Searching for a document is very easy and lightning fast. Enter search terms, and it's done. All documents immediately appear. Invoices, emails, orders, anything. At any time. And no matter where you are.